Isn't it too close?
No.
We're at Kandy-Ella railway station in Sri Lanka and we'll try to catch the train to Ella, which should be one of the most scenic routes in the country, but it's also very crowded. If you're not pushing the other people to get in the train, you might not get the chance to get the seat.
Yes! There is it. Man, I'm very happy that we met. I will go with you. This is Muhammad, the alchemist from Egypt. We met him on the station just because we missed our first train. By the way, he got married yesterday. Thank you. I'm gonna tell you how the Vipassana went. We'll keep in contact. We can see one day in Egypt. Yeah. So what happened actually is that we missed the first train. There was an earlier train that we weren't aware of. We had the chance to catch it, but it was gonna be a big rush, so we decided that it's better to wait for our train from 11:30. And the destiny brought us an Egyptian guy who was just like an angel, so wise and so humble and so calm. I think we learned some very precious lessons from him.
He convinced Martin to try Vipassana, so we might sign for Vipassana in Myanmar. He was amazing, very calm and smiling. And he taught us a lot about acceptance and living in the moment.
That's the butterfly effect. One thing happens, then followed by something else, and the chain is connected.
So distracted with all the scenic views that we missed the fact that we're at Ella railway station, so we had to be in a rush with all the backpacks. But we're here and it's beautiful.
After Pokhara in Nepal and Goa in India, now we found the backpackers' paradise of Sri Lanka. Why we came to Sri Lanka.
Waterfalls, which are 40 kilometers away from Ella.
Diyaluma Waterfalls.
Yeah, we're going there.
Back to Lucas.
Yeah, it's 40 kilometers away, which makes it a little bit pricey to go there with rickshaw or renting a scooter. So we decided to take the local bus and we'll see how much this will cost.
Okay, we're heading to Diyaluma Falls. We have no service.
Okay.
So we have to enter from here. Okay? Thanks, brother. All the best. Nice swimming pools, great.
Okay, but he said like
First gap in our plan.
Like, what's
We have forward, left and right. What do you vote for?
forward.
yeah, I think forward too.
Okay,
Guys,
it's three
but-
forward, so let's
Look
go.
at my one. Tells me there is a pool.
There is a pool.
Diyaluma Falls.
Natural pool. So we should go down.
I think there will be one of those waterfalls.
We voted to go straight. Finally, we can hear the water. We still cannot see a lot, but soon we'll be there. Natural jacuzzis. Oh wow.
It was so worth it.
Paradise. Really? Hello, 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 hello.
Good luck.
So what happened earlier is that we found a baby kitty that was not in its best condition. We took it home, like in the hostel, and fortunately the owner was an animal lover, so we didn't have problems with this. I hope it survives the night.
This is too much.
It's not too much.
And they said that
It's perfect.
that the garlic is so expensive and time consuming. Have the biggest dog, huh?
Nice!
You are happy that you destroyed this? I was waiting so long for that.
I mean, amazing.
මේකේ තියෙන බෙහෙත් වලින් පළවෙනියට තියෙන බෙහෙත් පෙත්තෙන් කාල ගානේ උදේ හවස දෙන්න දවස් 4කට තියෙනවා.
We're living backpackers paradise. It really was a paradise for us. So we'll definitely miss it a lot, but now it's time to go south to Tangale to see the Sri Lankan beaches at last. I think our driver is taking the turns with 100 kilometers per hour.